So very good morning to all. Today we are going to demonstrate about different about the practical of preparation and evaluation of metformin hydrochloride matrix tablet. So this practical is divided into three steps. In the first step, we will going to discuss about the introduction, material, methods, and procedure that is to be performed for preparation of matrix tablet. Second portion, we are going to show you the demonstration of different practical aspects related to this particular practical, and in the third session we are going to discuss about the conclusion and outcome of the practical. So let's start with the introduction portion of this particular practical. Matrix tablet is an important tool for modified release dosage form. Matrix tablets are the unit solid oral dosage form, most commonly intended for constant and effective drug release for a prolonged period of time. So it is somehow different from the conventional tablets as far as their release point of view. Thereby their method of preparations and mechanism of drug release are also differ from the conventional drug release tablet. The aim of today's practical is to prepare and evaluate metformin hydrochloride matrix tablet. Here metformin hydrochloride was taken as a model drug. Objective of today's practicals are preparation of matrix tablet of metformin hydrochloride, evaluation of the prepared matrix tablet, interpretation of result, discussion and conclusion of the practical. Let's move towards the material section. The number of material we are used for preparation of tablets. The tablets has been prepared by using wet granulation technique. Here metformin hydrochloride, HPMC, PVP, K30, IPA, lactose, magnesium stearate and talc are the ingredients used for this practical. Glass apparatus like volumetric flask, beaker, measuring cylinder, funnel and pipettes are also used for perform the practical. Most common instrument like tablet punching machine or tablet press, UV visible spectrophotometer, FDI, dissolution apparatus, disintegration apparatus, fibrillator and digital weighing balance was used for this particular purpose. Now in this particular study, the other method what we have used for the study are shown here. Preparation of matrix tablet by wet granulation process, preparation of standard calibration curve of metformin hydrochloride, evaluation of the prepared tablets like determination of hardness, determination of fiability, determination of wet variation, drug content and disintegration study and in vitro dissolution study. These all study we are going to perform on the prepared tablets. So let's see the demonstration class discussion and followed by the demonstration practical discussion. So let's move for the demonstration class discussion first.